to it.
Alright, guys.
Knock over the whole setup. Why don't you?
That'll be at the beginning. Alright, we got another Tobe and Nwigwe song.
I won't correct you. I'll just let you go, man.
Okay.
I'll just let it go. Everybody says it weird.
Linnell Grant? Is that another guy with him? I've never heard of him. I don't know. Another rapper, I guess. This
Rapper, singer,
called Caged Birds. And apparently this is new to him too.
It is.
New CJ.
Surprisingly, I just didn't listen to it. I was going to. It came out yesterday, 12 hours ago, something like that. I was about to listen, and I was like, you know what? I'll save it for us.
Yeah, I bet you were just sitting in bed like, wow, I want to listen to this so bad.
Oh my gosh,
go to
dude.
sleep.
No, I heard a snippet. He posted a snippet on his Instagram. I said, boy,
okay.
I need to listen. I need to listen to it. I need to. And I couldn't. I just didn't. I saved it for us.
Well, all right. Without further ado, let's get right into it.
I had in my mind, I'm going to do this every week for 10
That
years.
artwork, that's his wife who
In
did
10
that.
years, if it don't pan out the way I thought it would, and I don't got all the accolades and like reach the people that I want to reach, then all right, I gave it my best shot. I did something every single week for 10 years.
Look, I spit a verse so a whore the heathens can find the light. But keep a pistol that tear tissue like it's time to wipe. Don't fret, my first step ain't to resign your life. Plus the pistol fight don't walk until it's time to bite. Hell, once you find a wife, you do what you must do. To protect her and keep her up off a stretcher till she do. To have a baby, glad a lady came up to me and said, congratulations, don't come to those rather lazy instead of hard working. We all searching for affirmation. Some sheep will wander the atlas for validation. Invalid statements from those who never will validate them. I pray I navigate them to a fortress where congregating with angels is the norm. You pray and they perform immaculate miracles to help you evade the form of vipers, snipers, and every wicked form of evil that's been trying to deceive you since you were born with your heaven sent relative. Don't let them convince you that your etiquette's a speech impediment. I'm in my element and feel benevolent, even when I'm viewed as the elephant in every residence I'm stepping in. But hell, I ain't tripping. Hey man, say man, floating up macadamia. I'm from the city of purple spitting vibranium. Get it in your cranium. Ain't nobody simple him, and if I ever go down, it'll be swinging like pendulums.
In 10 years, like, what's the goal though? Like the main goal?
He's
Really
so
to make
good.
purpose positive and whatever that look like. Yeah, the accolades and stuff is gonna be cool, but I want to be global. I'm not trying to be no disrespect to no local joke. I feel like we got a message for the masses.
It is.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
We come from where most don't break free. We had to learn why cage birds sing. But we fly, even though they poison the sky. We don't cry, we gon' take a piece of the pie.
So I'ma need my bread hot, fresh and ready. For those who tried to keep me on ice like a Yeti. The West beat where they press me to a diamond. That's why I throw it up like the Heimlich. I'm just maneuvering on the serpent's head. So I tread on the skull of my enemies. And I'm quadrupling anything that I touch. If it's milk and honey, dummy, I'm the honeybee. Buzzing. You can see the pure pollination.
That's Nell.
Need G's like Masons and the haven. For these beats, I freak on the daily. I lose sleep, putting feet to the pavement and grinding. Like a power 2 or X, refining. Everything I do on wax. My time is lit and I refuse to let the shine which only a diamond can match. Bling bling.
Give us more, please. Give us more. I'm going to see him.
How many people
yeah,
get out
March.
their car and help you push your car if they see you pushing your car? You know what I'm saying? A lot of good people have seen us like move and it was like, yeah, I want to be a part of the move. And so many people be like, man, how you afford all that? And I'm like, bruh, most of the people that I move with, they wholeheartedly believe in my vision.
We come from where most don't break free. We had to learn why cage birds sing. But we fly, even though they poison the sky. We don't cry, we gon' take our piece of the pie.
Wow.
That was fire.
That was nice.
That was great.
She had me tripping. I'm like,
I know.
Bars.
That's Nell. She's part of his group of people. Yeah.
okay, man.
Yeah, man. That was
something.
That was nice. I'm glad I saved it. Kind of.
Kind of.
Kind of. Oh, brother. Yeah, that was great. I
Yep.
told you, man, from the very first time I tried to show you this guy. I said, he's fire. He's great. He's great. He's going to blow up. Now, here we are. I'm going to see that man in March.
Hey, he's getting
In
there.
March,
Yeah,
in
good for
Cleveland.
him. Yeah. Well, if you guys enjoyed that as much as we did, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe,
Comment.
Oh,
shoot.
God.
All
We'll
right.
see you guys in the next one.
Salutations, comrades.